ng mga kaibigan mo, keep on pedaling. Kahit bumabaksak ka, just keep on pedaling. Dire-diretso yan. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Chancellor. Thank you, Mr. Gary Pinculet. This time, I'd like to call on Mr. Louie Mijares.
Andre, it's a big night, 21. Debut it's a voice debut. And it's another part of your life where you're deciding now after you graduate. It's another side. You're working. The future, your future will be decided by you. Nothing else. It's you who will make your future. Whatever you decide, that's what you're gonna be. I call these young boys your visitors. You yourself will decide your future. It's yours. So, Andre, I wish all the best for you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Louie Mijares. Okay. Ngayon naman, tawagin natin si Miss Nicole Rivera.
As you grow up, make sure you have more dreams than memories, more opportunities than chances, more hard work than luck, and more friends than acquaintances. May you have the very best in life. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Nicole. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And now, this time tawagin naman natin ang isa sa mga special sa buhay ngayon ni Andy. Siyempre, special ang mami niya. Diba? And this time, we'd like to call on Jam.
Hindi talaga ako prepare. Una sa lahat, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Andy. I wish you all the best. Tapos, sana yung relationship natin mag-work out. Kahit for the best, work out yung relationship natin. Lagi mo tandaan, ako lagi sa'yo, tsaka tulungan tayo.
Okay. Thank you, Jam. This time, I'd like to call on Tito Ronald Del Rosario.
Handling lahat ng ratings binigay na nila ako. I just want to tell you na at 21, now you start managing your own life. Kasi before, we all know, growing up, we are managed by our parents. In your case, your mother. So I'm sure with the way she managed you, you will be able to manage your own life very well. And when you do that, make sure na i-enjoy mo yung pag-manage mo kasi in the future, another woman will be managing her own life and you will be under new management. So cheers, happy 21st. Now we have a video presentation which includes greetings from far away.
Happy birthday, binatang-binata ka na, and then wish ko lang sa iyo na alagaan mo yung mama mo, tsaka tapos mo yung pag-aaral mo, tsaka yung goal mo sa buhay mo, sana matapos mo. Basta maging humble ka lang palagi, and then God bless, happy birthday.
Keep up the studies, keep playing basketball, family's number one. Happy birthday.
Happy 21st birthday, Andre. Wow, I can't believe 21 ka na. Dati, inaalagaan ka pa namin. Anyways, I wish you all the best. Always keep your feet on the ground. Good luck sa career, good luck sa school, and you're a very good person, and I know you will succeed in life. Always remember, we love you, and andito kami para sa'yo. You're so blessed to have all the siblings. So, wish you the best, and again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hope you're enjoying your day. Wishing you good health and happiness. Hope to see you in Canada soon.
Hi, Andre. Happy birthday.
God bless.
Happy birthday, Andre. I hope you're having a good time. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Oldest tita in the Vindula family. Pasensya na po, tita. Binasa ko lang po. Palakpakan naman natin si Tita Mirna Agandara. Ganda gabi, ma'am.
I don't like the oldest. Anyway, good evening to everyone. And before anything else, I'd like to thank Dulce for bringing us together in this event, to Angeline for sponsoring this event, and Dulce for being a good and caring mother to Andre. And of course, I want to give importance to the Tita Lily, for packaging this event together with Tito Ronald. So thank you. Okay, they've said it all. Nothing but the best. So wish for you, education and all that. Our advice for our family, you have to dream big and fulfill the dream. In the process, there are ups and downs, but focus. Ask guidance from the Lord. Make Him the center of your life and enjoy what you're doing. Okay? So I know you're excited to enjoy the rest of the evening. So, all the best to the birthday celebrant. Cheers!
Thank you, Tita Mirna.
Here I am waiting, I'll have to leave soon. Why am I holding on? We knew this day would come, we knew it all along. How did it come so fast? This is our last night, but it's late, and I'm trying not to sleep, 'cause I know when I wake I will have to slip away. And when the daylight comes I'll have to go, but tonight I'm gonna hold you so close, 'cause in the daylight we'll be on our own, but tonight I need to hold you so close. Oh, 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 oh. Your perfection in my arms, so beautiful. The sky is getting bright, the stars are burning out. Somebody slow it down, this is way too hard. talking like Miley. Start talking like Miley. Baby, it's your body, I just wanna play. What's inside? What's that thing that's got me like what? I'm tryna beat it up 12 rounds. Girl, I'm thinking, just gotta say.
Sabay-sabay na ba, tita?
Back, 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 pick it up and drop it down low.
Okay, go, sabay-sabay na. Go ahead. Dance na. Andrew. Pag hindi mo na-shoot siya, mag-report ka. Oo ka. Kuya, mag-report ka niyo. Let's go. Ayan. Wow, isa pa. Ay, hindi. Ang dalawa na-shoot siya. Pag hindi mo na-shoot siya, mag-report ka. Isasaluhin niya eh. Sinusumbat ka, pinasakitaan. Oh, isa pa, last one. Oh, hindi naman natin ito-work ka na. Hindi, mag-work ka na, usapan niya. Break, huwag mong gagalawin. Ganyan lang, stay lang. Makulong kayo dun pa. Sige po. Ha? Ganyan lang naman. Pwede din ba kayo maging na? Palapit na palapit si Unjin. Isa pa?
Uy, math teacher ako ah. Kailangan kita.
Sige ba? Let's go. Miss, kayo nakapaligid daw kayo sa kanya. Ano? Gusto? Oh, go! DJ, play yung music ng Twerk It Like Mine. Siya lang namisili sa ato to. Sabayan lang. Kinukuha na ka naman natin. Sabayan siya, sabayan siya.
Sabayan mo, kung hindi ko alam.
Yes, yan. Go! Oh, go! Kaya na, go! Go! O, gayahin mo yun, ma'am. Let's go, ma'am. Work tayo. Ready? Okay, guys. Work tayo. Go, let's go.
Nakakaya.
5, 6, 7, 8. Bigyan mo kayo po yan. Palamahan natin si Miss Jen. Thank you. Guys, thank you. Mamay na ako yan. Bandel ulit. Hindi naman natin natapusin. Pwede pa tayong party-party. Pero bigyan muna natin ang daan yung message ni Andrix para sa inyo. Ni Andrix sa inyo para sa inyo. Okay?
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta. Sa mga pinsan ko, kay Mama, sa pamilya ko po, sa mga kaibigan ko, sa mga teammate ko po. Yun.